Let's talk about maintenance, the unsung hero that keeps factories, hospitals, and hotels running. For years, maintenance was chaos, clipboard spreadsheets, and lost notes. Enter the Computerized Maintenance Management System, or CMMS, a digital hub that organizes, tracks, and predicts maintenance needs. With a CMMS, companies move from scrambling to fix breakdowns to preventing them before they happen. This shift saves time, money, and stress, making businesses more efficient and resilient. In today's world, a CMMS isn't just helpful, it's essential. So, what exactly makes a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, so incredibly powerful and essential for modern operations? It's more than just software. It's a comprehensive solution. First, work order management is at the heart of it. You can log issues as they arise, assign tasks to the right personnel with the necessary skills, and track progress in real time, all digitally, eliminating paperwork and ensuring accountability. Then there's preventive maintenance. You can schedule routine checks and inspections, ensuring that equipment is running optimally. This proactive approach helps to stop problems before they even start, saving you time and money in the long run. Asset tracking is another key component. You can keep detailed records on every single piece of equipment, from its purchase date to its maintenance history, making all of this critical information easily accessible from any device, anywhere. And speaking of accessibility, there's mobile access, allowing technicians to update work orders directly from the field and access manuals and other important documentation right at the job site, improving efficiency and accuracy. Then we have analytics and AI, helping you spot patterns in your maintenance data, predict potential equipment failures before they happen, and optimize your entire maintenance operation with real-time data and intelligent insights. And finally, IoT integration, where sensors alert you instantly to any developing equipment issues, providing an early warning system. With all of these powerful features working together, CMMS transforms reactive maintenance into a streamlined, proactive, and data-driven operation, maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. CMMS solutions are transforming industries everywhere, revolutionizing how businesses manage their assets and operations. From sprawling factories to intricate healthcare systems, the impact is undeniable. In manufacturing, where efficiency is king, they cut downtime by up to 30%, minimizing disruptions and maximizing productivity. This translates to fewer delays and smoother operations, boosting output and profits significantly. The increased efficiency allows for greater throughput and ultimately a healthier bottom line. Hospitals use CMMS to keep critical equipment running and compliant, ensuring that vital medical devices are always ready when needed. This proactive approach to maintenance improves patient safety, reducing the risk of equipment failure during critical procedures. Hotels prevent breakdowns and improve guest satisfaction by ensuring that everything from HVAC systems to elevators are functioning optimally. This proactive maintenance reduces costs by 15%, minimizing emergency repairs and extending the lifespan of valuable assets. Energy and utilities rely on CMMS for its robust asset management capabilities. They use it to monitor assets and prevent outages, ensuring a reliable supply of power to homes and businesses. This proactive approach to infrastructure management is saving millions in avoided downtime and repair costs. Facility managers standardize workflows and resolve issues faster, streamlining operations and improving overall efficiency. Across sectors, CMMS delivers measurable results: less downtime, ensuring continuous operations, lower costs, optimizing budgets and maximizing ROI, and better performance, leading to increased productivity and profitability. It's a game changer, a transformative technology that is reshaping industries worldwide. For any organization that depends on physical assets, providing the tools and insights needed to optimize performance and drive success. The future of CMMS is undeniably cloud-based. Embracing cloud technology offers unparalleled accessibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. It's also mobile, empowering technicians and managers alike to access critical information and manage work orders from anywhere, at any time. This mobility enhances responsiveness and streamlines workflows, and increasingly, it's powered by AI and IoT. These technologies are revolutionizing maintenance practices, offering predictive capabilities and real-time insights. These intelligent systems predict potential failures, allowing for proactive maintenance interventions and minimizing costly downtime. They also optimize maintenance schedules, ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently and that preventative maintenance is performed at the most opportune times. Furthermore, CMMS solutions support sustainability initiatives by reducing energy use through optimized equipment performance and proactive maintenance strategies. To get started on your CMMS journey, begin by thoroughly assessing your organization's specific maintenance needs and challenges. Then set clear and measurable goals for your CMMS implementation, aligning them with your overall business objectives. It's also crucial to train your team on the new system, ensuring that everyone understands how to use it effectively and can contribute to its success. And finally, choose a scalable CMMS solution that can grow with your business and adapt to your evolving needs. Regularly review and update your system to keep it effective, incorporating new features and addressing any emerging challenges. A well-implemented CMMS transforms maintenance from a reactive headache into a proactive and strategic advantage. It delivers real and measurable returns, including lower operational costs through reduced downtime and optimized resource allocation. You'll also see more uptime, ensuring continuous operations and maximizing productivity across your organization. And ultimately, it leads to safer operations, protecting your employees, and minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, smart maintenance powered by a CMMS is absolutely essential for staying ahead of the curve and achieving long-term success. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got thoughts or questions? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you on the next one.